A message to all Igbo, a message to all Christians that at the end of the day, the core essence of Christianity. Hello guys, welcome back again to Adadicha Blog TV. Yes, today I'm going to bring this video for you to watch and listen what our governor of Anambra State said during the time Evangelist Ebuka Obi is opening the Seraphic Orphanage and the Seraphic Psychiatric and Old People's Home in Anambra State. So listen what Governor Soludo said about message he gave to all in the Igbos and all the Christians in Nigeria. Just listen to the message. A message to all Christians that at the end of the day, the core essence of Christianity is who else are you able to lift up? Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Listen what he said. He said a message to all Igbo and all the Christianity. He said, at last, which person you will be proud that he rest up. He can say what Evangelist Ebukobi did. Evangelist Ebukobi is doing the great work that God sent him to do in the life of people. And Governor Soludo is so happy. He's a very happy person that it happened. And he happened into his own state. So he is happy. So he sent this message to every Igbo people and all Christians that are watching this video. He said, please make sure that you get people where you go rest up. You need to learn from our brother Evangelist Ebukobi for what he's doing. And it's a great thing. He was so happy. Everybody was so happy. So he sent this message to us. And most of Igbo people that stay in outside, apart from Igbo land, this message is also for all of you, and including me, that you need to invest in your land. Remember to come home. Even this Ebuka is making it easy for people to also think about home. Because all this while, nobody have to think about this kind of thing that he just did. May God bless him for the good work he has been doing. May God protect him, guide him, for give you long life, because he did a wonderful work. The first sciatic hospital and the old people's home. They easy now. I bet more I give a round of applause. Make thank God for his life. It's not easy, and everybody's happy. So whoever that is not happy, go and just enter, go check transformer around you and hang there, because a lot of people are also angry and so jealous and envy against our brother. Make like me go hang transformer, concern of the most important that God have used you to bless Igbo land. So this message go to you. Make sure that he learns something and come back home. Invest at home. Forget that place. You can stay in a place, any place you are, but remember home. Remember home, because this message is for all the whole Igbos and Christian people. If you're a Christian, worship God, stop discriminating. Learn from him, because follow his footsteps, because he's doing what exactly God wants you to do. So stop envying, stop jealousy, and impress God, and thank God for what God has been using to do. They easy. This for what he's doing. Let us celebrate him, because God is really using him. Thank you so much for watching. Please help me share this video. I love you guys.